coming back into my channel. Today we are outside barbecuing, y'all, and I just thought I might show y'all how we just do our simple chicken barbecue. Alright, y'all, so this is how our chicken is looking. Alright, and it's just been marinating for about 2.5 hours, y'all. It look yellow like that because we have mustard on it. But yeah, so whenever our grill get hot, I'll come back and show you guys how it looks, okay? Alright, y'all, so this is 5 minutes after putting our barbecue sauce on it. We're just gonna flip it over, flip our chicken over. Alright, and y'all work with me, y'all, just bear with me because I'm holding the camera and I'm flipping chicken, okay? And I ain't got my tripod out here. I had my husband, he was out here doing this, but he's doing something else that's important. So just bear with me, okay? Alright, y'all, so I just flipped the chicken over and this is how it's looking. Alright, and this is our shrimps over here. We put that on when we put our barbecue sauce. So we're going to let everything sit for another 5 minutes and then we'll be back to take off the grill, okay?